Alright guys, so I'm back with another Junkyard video. I haven't done one in a long time. This is a yard I haven't brought you guys to. It's a local one for me. And no mic, no accessories because tiny camera. And now I'm just trying to maneuver myself across a bunch of cars.
Oh, it's an F-250 camper special.
And we found an F-250. So I'm gonna work my way over there. I know you guys like Junkyard videos, so I thought I'd do one. Oh, what the heck? There's a bed for that Chevy over there, right here. That's weird. And then, what the heck? Oh, it's got everything in it.
Camper special. Doors are in the bed.
This was the hood I wanted to buy just because it was the same color-ish, kinda. Is a motor in it? Probably not. There's a radiator in it. Hey, there's a motor in it. And you know what comes with FEs? Fuel pumps.
I bet you the gallon.
No, I'm like not even joking. I mean, who knows how good it is, but there's definitely going to be a fuel pump in it. Yeah, I see it. Oh, it's actually bolted in. I didn't know. I thought it was just set on there.
Wow.
Whoa, this truck had AC. You don't see that too often.
Factory AC.
Yeah. Cool. That's
It's got long tubes.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh well, yeah, you're right. Those are a pain to install. Yeah, it's down on the bottom. I don't know how good it is though.
Probably not.
Yeah. Really fogged up. The good thing about behind this lens, if you replace this lens, it'll look brand new. It still does have all the original switching. A what? Oh yeah, huh? Those go out a lot.
Yeah, it's got one right here.
Yeah, I see that. I've actually haven't had mine go up before. Yeah. Shut up. What?
Wow.
Try to work my way back. They literally always do this. They just put all the rear ends in the truck beds.
This tailgate's pretty straight. Damn, this tailgate's straight.
Whoa, this actually is the right color. This is the exact color of my truck. And it's got red lettering.
That opens up really nice.
Oh, it's been repainted. Was it painted blue or was it? Oh, it was painted white and it was already blue. Yeah, wait. No, it was painted blue. These bolts are blue.
Because the whole inside of the frame over here is blue.
What the heck? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. That's sick though. That's the right color. I've always wanted the red lettering. That's actually pretty bitchin'. This is exactly, like literally exactly the top of my tailgate. Look, you have to open it. There you go. Huh, I didn't know bump side. This was earlier tailgate. I didn't think they fit on dent sides.
This thing was set up for a camper.
Because you can see the body lines don't match up at all. For what?
Set up for a camper.
Oh, I just realized there's a door.
Yeah, both the doors are in the bed of it.
Wow.
Just where
They're actually pretty straight.
Yeah, see, look, see these hooks?
Yeah.
This hook
Yep.
and this hook? It's for tying down your camper.
Yeah, I remember
I don't know why
that.
they would put it right there, though.
I know.
Seems like it would just rip off.
Dude, the corners of these doors don't even have any rust bubbles yet. Yeah, I don't feel anything on the back of this.
Yeah.
That thing is solid.
Dude, this compartment is so cool.
Wait, you actually got it. Oh, the toolbox?
Look, somebody literally just rebuilt it. There's a bunch of fresh RTV in there. And this thing has like no rust in it.
Wow. This would have been a nice bed if someone didn't trash it. It's been repainted.
Oh, the fucking rat poop won't let it close. There's your badges.
Yeah, you know what? I actually might grab those. How easy are they to take off?
This thing got anything left of the front end?
No, the grill's the expensive part, and that's always the one that goes first.
What about the suspension?
It's probably.
There's nothing.
Oh, nope. Twin eye beams are gone. Those things go pretty quick too. All the rivets have been pounded out.
Oh, all gone.
Oh, there's a spider.
All gone.
And oh no. Yeah, it does have headers on it. That's kind of cool. 318 Chrysler. Oh, that's a rip. Nope. Oh, that's a rip. It's a fatty spider web. I see another square body over there. I'm here for a dipstick. I literally just need a dipstick. That's all I'm really here for. Because I'm not going to pay $25 for a dipstick when I can just go to a junkyard and get it for nothing.
What the fuck is that?
It says Caterpillar. It has a Caterpillar badge on it.
Yeah,
Wait. Oh, there's a square body right there. There's a white one there to your left with a work bed on it. And then there's something.
There's another one.
He said back right corner.
I think I see it. It's
Oh.
got the 55 hood on top of it.
Oh, okay, cool.
I think so. I think that's it, isn't it?
No, that looks like a panel van, like a 55. Yeah, it's a 56 panel van Ford.
Oh, damn.
That's a rare car.
So where's the Chevy at?
The Chevy's right here.
Yeah, but didn't he say there was a
He said-
blue one in like this area?
Well, that's weird. Well, no, he said back right corner, so it would have been over here, which we found the cab over there.
I like how they move their shit around. They just tie seatbelts to everything.
Wait, seriously?
Look,
That's actually kind of smart.
that's how they pick it up with their forklift.
Yeah. So we got a Pimobile here. Monty.
Two-door.
Gosh, they stack everything. Oh boy. These pants are too small. I can't bend my legs the correct way.
This is a Dodge.
It's a Dodge? Oh, it's a Dodge panel. I thought it was a Ford. Holy, that didn't go well. Okay, try that again. Little bumper about fell off.
Holy Bondo.
Oh, it's got a Ford hood on it. That's why. That's a 50s.
There, yeah.
Yeah, it's a late or mid 50s Ford hood.
Check out this sweet Bondo job.
Oh, that's really bad.
That's pure Bondo. There's no metal in it at all.
That's really bad.
Don't buy a Dodge.
Don't buy a Dodge. That's pretty
Oh, there's
cool.
a little bit of metal right there. It's holding it together.
Jeez, that is a lot of Bondo. Oh my god.
This thing's been sitting back here for a time.
Oh yeah, it has. I remember years ago coming and seeing this one.
This is sick.
What's on the inside of it?
Holy shit.
What kind of motor is that?
Some kind of a Chevy.
Ish. I'd say this one's a little bit too far gone.
I think they painted the firewall with house paint.
Oh my god, I've seen that before. I hate that. Oh hey, there's a square body right there.
Custom.
I just realized that.
Real custom.
Custom stuff.
Oh, that's the one he was talking about.
Yeah, now I found it.
Big butt.
Go around this way. El Camino! I don't care. Ah, there we go. Man, I wish I knew I would have took the freaking front end off of one of these. Put it on my truck before I painted it. Well, I'm looking for the dipstick, and I don't think I'm going to get a transmission dipstick out of here.
This is a Cheyenne or a Scottsdale?
This is a Cheyenne. I've never
special.
actually seen the interiors of one of these when it's not all cut up.
The door dinged my truck.
Sorry, bud. Oh, you know what I do need? Because the ones I bought for my truck don't fit in the hole. Please tell me the other one's there. Yes, it is. And then I need the window crank as well because Chris Bryant decided to strip mine, and so my window crank broke. Shout out, Chris.
Oh, there's another El Camino.
Yeah, these things are toasted.
Hey, a B2.
Dude. Think pre-runner?
I'm gonna get some kind of fucking disease or something.
That's what I'm thinking. There's an F100 over here somewhere. Jeez.
Oh shit, somebody already started the roll cage.
What the heck? Gosh.
Oh, the motor's still on it.
V6 or the V8? No, it's
Yeah,
V6.
it's the V6.
Yeah.
This is the 2-point slow.
2-punch slow leader. Yeah, there's an F100 over there. There's a Camaro! Chris can look through a Camaro.
Uh-oh.
It's got the wheels he wants. Oh, dude. He needs to take the freaking door handles off of this one. And it doesn't have a cracked centerpiece. Oh, I'm sure Chris will love this. I need to go get those interior parts off of that square body. Jeez, there's all sorts of moss growing on this thing. This is an F100. Ooh, this is the kind of F100 I want. Oh, this one looked like it definitely burnt to the ground. It's got straight parts on it though. I ain't even gonna bother walking over there. You can see the roof got warped. I wonder if it has a grill. Oh, there's another square body. Oh, of course, this one's all the way in the freaking corner too.
Oh, Yeah, there's some barbed wire right there.
Yeah, watch out for that.
This thing looks mint, dude.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's a 60. That's a straight grill on it, a really straight grill.
Ooh.
It's like the only thing that's wrong with it. Dang, this truck probably was cool. Oh, it's a 4x.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, that's a badass truck. Wow, this thing got cooked. Oh my goodness. No trans?
Might be in the back. Nope.
Yeah, they do rip all the motors and trans out of these things. Oh,
Look at that mint interior.
Ew, what the heck? This thing's... Oh, this is bad.
Oh, the inside of this door's mint too.
Window cranks in here. Nope, those are gone. Oh my gosh, almost fuzzy. These are the window cranks I like. Oh, these are plastic too. F that.
I gotta put my safety glasses on.
It's the same ears I have. Got a window crank. That's about it. Oh, sheesh. You're nasty. Rip your Mustang. That was a Jeep. You want a roll cage for your Jeep? Is yours that generation or no?
Yeah.
Sick.
Mine's an 89.
It's a bullnose.
Cool. Is this Jonathan my answer?
Oh. Might as well be. That's funny.
I think this is a Crown Vic.
Dude, no, I think it's an LTD or is it Crown Vic?
LTD, Crown
Yeah.
Victoria.
Dude, I mean, have you seen the pre-runner version of one of these?
Yeah, the trophy LTD.
Yeah, it's
there's
freaking
another
wild, dude. Oh, what the heck?
I can't tell if we're walking on glass or walking on gravel.
Yeah. The grill shell is a little chingered up. It's a 4x.
Not much left.
No, yeah, I think my buddy came over here and he told me there wasn't nothing in it. They wrecked the roof. Rear ends.
Well, this would have worked good on your truck.
It's got a straight bezel.
Was for
Gas tank's fine. Yeah, it was 4-wheel drive. Ain't nothing left now. Oh, there's just another Suburban.
A little bit of a rust problem.
Oh my god. A Nova? Oh, there's two of them. Two of them.
Gotta figure out how to get over there to that shit. Maybe it's got a trans.
I think they rip them all out and they're either in the front or in the back.
Too.
I bet you they have the dipstick, to be honest, up front. There's another Nova. Look at all the patchwork on the firewall. That's so bad.
Yeah.
Close. Yeah, might as well be. Chevy too. Oh, it's a 4x. And it's filled with motors, of course.
The dipstick's gonna be weird on this one.
It's a Jimmy. Oh, those are the ones I got. I bought those off of Brothers. I need this guy, but I can't get it off because I don't have the right tools. All I have is a knife. Dang it. Oh, this one actually. Oh, dude. Look at that. Dude, look at that. Look at just how it's chilling. Huh. Probably not the right one, to be honest. That's way too long. That ain't the right dipstick.
Yeah, but it's got a stopper on it. We could probably pull the stopper off.
Wait, no, this is a 3/4 ton. This isn't even the right trans.
Yeah, but it's got a stopper on it. If that stopper fits down in there, we can pull the metal piece off and put the stopper on yours.
I don't even know if you can.
Pull it really hard.
Pretty much. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Translock.
Ooh. You missed the hole.
Oh boy. Oh, what's this? Oh, another. Was that a Chevy 2 or a Nova? Dude, this thing had old school coilovers in it. Whoa.
Oh my god.
There's heads in there.
Look at this ugly ass head.
Is that a Chevy 350 head? Yeah, it's all trashed. Bored and polished.
It's fine. That's how you put a motor back together.
Yeah. Just throw it. Dude, look at these coilovers.
Oh, nice.
Talk about old school. Holy crap. Sorry this video was a little bit shorter than normal. It was pretty unplanned. We kind of just went there and I had the camera in my pocket. So I was like, well, let's film this. There's probably some things in here that I haven't seen. There's probably some things that people want to see. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys that. There was a few more Fords than I thought there were. There was a ton of square body Chevys. I don't remember those being in there. So that was kind of cool. Thought you guys would enjoy that. I went in there expecting to find like just a dipstick for a turbo 350 trans, but apparently nobody really carries stuff for turbo 350 Chevys. At least at that junkyard, there was nothing, like not even a trans. He says that they're like really hard to come by. They're a lot of money. So I was like, okay, whatever. And I ended up having to go to O'Reilly's and get a legit entirely new dipstick and tube for $25 just to cut the little cap off the dipstick to put it on the other one, just so it wouldn't go in the dipstick hole too far and it would actually sit flat and flush, so I knew the measurement was correct, because otherwise I could just put it in and make it as full as I really wanted. But I got that fixed, so C10 drives, shifts really well. But yeah, so like the video if you did enjoy. Let me know what you do think down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.